Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Oh, let's cast, Josh. Coming to ECU. Yeah. Okay. I'm using a left-handed. One thing about fishing for big bass, you got to get past the little ones first, you guys. Don't hate. Dinks love, need love too. Alright guys, let's get this little fella back in the water. Don't be mad, dinks need love too. Thank you, little fella. Let's do short with this guy. Well guys, persistence do pay off. I was getting ready to go, popped off on the crankbait. I said, no, I'm gonna keep it going. And I'm glad I did. He ain't big, but he is a little bit. Alright, let's get you home, little fella. Alright, I'm gonna dip this crankbait. Get you home, little fella. Woo! Let's get you home, little fella. Woo! Just hook into something nice. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Awesome. Awesome. Woo! Alright y'all, let's get this guy off and let's get him back in the water. Nice one though, real nice. Let's see if we can thumb him. Now hold on buddy, hold on. Got you in a bad place. Hold, be still, be still, be still. Got you. All right. Let's get you off. Get you back in the water. I want to show you all first though. Hold on. On something, but guys, the size of this crappie, you guys. Got him on the lipless crankbait. Let's get him back in the water. Goodbye, buddy. Get it right, 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 get it right. There you go. Go that way. Awesome. Okay, let's see what else is out here. Guys, oh my goodness, how in the world am I going to get that out? Oh my goodness. Oh, got it. Beautiful. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that big turtle? Oh my goodness. I bit my hook out a little bit, but I got my bait. Let's see if we can straighten this, kind of curve this hook back. All right, you guys, got the first one at this place with the chatterbait. Got him in the top of the mouth, so let's see if we can get that out and get him back in the water. I didn't know I had set the hook that hard. Okay, got it. All right, buddy. I'm letting you go.